girls attend their favorite cocktail bar, sipping dry martinis, munching caviar. There's a girl who's really putting them to shame. Rosie, Rosie is her name. All day long, whether rain or shine, she's a part of the assembly line. She's making history, working for victory. Rosie, the Riveter, keeps sharp lookout for sabotage. Sitting up there on the fuselage, that little frail can do more than a mill can do. Rosie, the Riveter. Rosie's got a boyfriend, Charlie. Charlie, he's a Marine.
Rosie is protecting
Charlie, working overtime on the riveting machine. When they gave her a production knee, she was as proud as a girl could be. There's something true about red, white, and blue about Rosie, the Riveter. Rosie, Rosie the Riveter. She works hard all day, working for the USA. Hip, hip, hooray, hooray. Rosie buys a lot of war bonds. That gal really has sense. Wishes she could purchase more bonds. Putting all her cash into the national defense. Wham! Senator Jones, who was in the know, shouted these words right on the radio. Berlin will hear about, Moscow will cheer about.